Yes.
See, now students, this bill is of 30 days, and on the due date, the bill is dishonored. So see here, the bill was made on 27th March, so it is of 30 days. So how you calculate the date of maturity? So the date of maturity is 3rd April. 3 days add grace period. So it is 6th April. 6th April is the date of maturity. And who paid the noting charges? C paid noting charges. How much? 100 rupees. It is clearly mentioned that C paid rupees 100 as noting charges. Because first to go to the court, right, should have to pay the noting charges. Because notary public charge the fees, take the fees. So what is the journal entry? All of you know, I told you so many times that whatever may be the case, when the bill is dishonored, the drawee account should be debited. So who is the drawee here? A. So you write A debit. And 2, what I told you, that before the dishonor, whatever may be the entry you passed, and in that entry the account which was debited should be credited. So see, the C account was debited earlier, so now it is credited to C. And you write the narration: bill dishonored and noting charges paid, rupees 100. So it is how much? You write here 30,100. Right, students? 30,100. The amount of the bill is 30,000 and the noting charges is how much? Noting charges is how much? 100. But now what happened in general business also, right? The endorsee give the bill to whom? To the drawer. ये भाई अपना बिल रखिए, आपका पार्टी पैसा नहीं दिया, you give me the cash, and you also give me the noting charges, right? Who will take all these things, all the amount? The endorsee take, claim all the amount to whom? To drawer. That means to whom? To B. Now B will claim to A, that is drawing. So here we will write A to C being bill dishonored. And now on the same date, B should have to pay to C. So you write C debit to, let us see in the question whether paid in cash or check. By check. So you write C to bank account. How much? 30,100. Clear, students? And you write the narration being dues paid to C. Clear? So these entry we should have to pass in the books of the drawer. The bill is dishonored. The main entry, try to understand again, and I told you earlier in my previous classes also that you keep in your mind as a capsule that whatever may be the case, the drawee account should be debited. And before dishonor, the entry which was passed in the books and the account which was debited should be credited. So say in the same manner here also A is the drawee, so A debited, and in the previous entry you see C was debited, so here C will be credited. So A debit to C. And here you should have to write 30,100 because the 100 is the noting charge. And now the B should have to clear the amount of C, right? So now the entry is what? C debit to bank because B is making payment through check. Clear, students? These are the entry we should have to pass in the books of the drawer. Means in the books of B. Okay, in the next class I will discuss that what are the entries which we have to pass in the books of drawing and also in the books of endorsing. Thank you.